Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for this video, let's do unboxing. It's all about this tripod that my man bought in Ayala Center, Cebu. I will show you. This is it. This is how it looks like. We bought this for only 720 pesos. And when you want to go filming outside, you can't really control your hand if you hold it using your phone if it's without tripod or something, because you can't control your movement. Anyway, it is how it looks like. Let's open this and let's try to connect connect. It's really hard when you're only using one hand, since I was actually holding my phone in my other hand. Let's try to open. This is it. Ayan. And it's actually nice. Olanze. That's the brand. Let's connect. So we're done connecting our tripod, and actually you can move like this. And yeah, it's really easy to carry. By the way, I'm sorry for the background. There is an umbrella. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog, everyone. Keep safe and God bless. Bye.